Christmas time. A time to give. A time to receive. A time to forgive. My name is Lebogang, age 18, forever partying, and not getting along with my family. Oh, my sister. She's the opposite of me. Probably the most boring 23-year-old in the whole world.
Thanks,
My dad, a very sweet and kind pastor. But he's been weird since my mother died. He's really getting on my nerves these days. He hates everything I love. He hates my clothes, my makeup, and the fact that I've just turned 18 and can do whatever I want. His worst hate of them all. My boyfriend, Freddie. Uh-oh. Here comes the lecture.
I'm sick and tired to give you trouble about my sweat. First, I said, the most Chiana Gamora, Musman, Kibidio. Musman, thousand years of future, don't body is a man. Now I saw my orphanage. Musiamana has Yama body. Without years of
When he
future.
goes on like this, I just listen to music in my head until he finishes.
Lebogang! It's again. How can I team up?
And here comes the grand finale. Emotional blackmail.
Okay, my girl. Okay. Why is it again? Kalatala crocodile trata so not to talk. Now sip.
You know, there was a time when that used to work.
Papa, ga ke tlhole ke le ngwana. Tlogela go bua thata, I'll be back safe and sound. Papa, please stop letting yourself get all worked up. Lebogang is a stupid little brat. What was her killing for that baby? Go back to the stress.
It's king Malaka. I saw my heart.
Stop it now, Papa. There's nothing that you're doing wrong. I got really we stress at it.
I cannot believe how backward Lebogang people are. How in the world do you have a hairstyle like that in this day and age? Not to mention those hideous leather pants. The one hope Lebogang has style-wise is my man, Freddie. Look at how fine the brother is. At age 23, he's the only young guy in this whole village with his own car and a job as the manager at the shop. Not to mention his ambition. He wants to have his own string of buzzing nightclubs in Joburg. I know he'll achieve that. He can achieve anything.
Sure.
Neko goed.
Why? I was here all along.
I know. Maar no ko gakala. Busy flirting with that girl.
Ooh, be careful now. They say jealousy makes you nasty, you know? Hey, listen, I need to tell you something. Here.
Hey, Joe, Fred, Zogalai.
Yeah, can I?
Sky's talk outside.
Sophie.
I saw Sophie.
Oh my word, Spike, the owner of this shop, he's such a pain in the neck. He's always on Freddie's case.
After break, Spike.
After break, Edmund, Arva lost part.
Look, our Friday, Spike.
Salamina.
Man, he's just being his usual irritating self, you know? O complain like everything. Hey, Joe, listen. I really need to tell you something, eh? But it's important, though. Remind me later.
My darling Freddie, ever since my mother died, my life has not been making any sense. I feel lost without her. She was my best friend ever. Thank you so much, though, for being there for me over the last year. Thank you for being the love of my life. You're the best thing that has ever happened to me, Freddie. I can't wait to be with you forever and ever, away from this dreaded house. My sister is such a pain these days. Just because she can't get a man, she's taking it out on me. My dad is another stress. He wants me to be just like my sorry sister. He's called me every horrible name, from Tikiline to Mustrat, just because I have you. I hate them so much right now.
Ingi. Hey, Mrs. How do you do this? What's your info?
Asa sa pepaan pa ili. Lekwalo niya na hela.
Baby, King said no batong son. I hope it's not bad. I am not in the mood for bad news today.
Well, truth is, actually...
Hey, Fred, King ka wena mone. O nagana mo hoteleng. Ye monna, lunch ya go fedile o nkutlo monna. Are.
I swear, I am sick and tired of that guy. I can't take this rubbish anymore.
I hate it when he gets like this. That's the only thing that gets to me about him. He's mysterious like that. He just changes and I feel like an absolute stranger to him.
Freddy kupa uska mutella tu.
You're right. Listen, I was gonna wait until I saved more money, but I'm gonna have to do it now.
Do what?
What I wanted to tell you, babes.
What's that?
When I wanted it to be a surprise when I showed you my new club, got Josie, but...
Unale club in Chaco Josie.
No. Well, not yet, but I can have it by Christmas.
By Christmas? Don't you need a lot of money to get started?
Well, you see, that's why I need to tell you what I wanted to tell you. A few weeks ago, I hit the lottery, baby.
Lottery thing.
Lotto, the lotto that everyone plays.
Ah, man, ka.
Oh, don't you remember a few weeks ago, the lottery was 5 million and there were 6 winners that had to share that? Well, you looking at one of the winners, baby.
Get out of here.
You don't believe me?
Baby, keep a guy come.
850,000 rand, baby.
Mara, why unzumpitlezi?
I wanted it to be a surprise.
I am so happy for you. Now you can finally go get your dream started.
You see, that's another thing. Aksofitli, wait. Kisa shota ka 200,000. The thing is, the shares in the club that I want to buy into are going to cost me about R1 million. And then what's about Josie? I have to buy things from when I'm living there, and then I still have to wait for my investment to grow. What's about business is wrong, babes?
Babes, you are already 80% there. But you know what this means, right? When I tla bole Joburg, nna ke lemo. Ha ke batla le wena gae.
Don't think of it like that. Joburg's only, what, 3 hours away? We'll still get to see each other.
Oh, maybe I could just come with you.
Oh, really? Joe, your dad would kill you.
Oh, please, man. I am 18 and I can do whatever I want. Besides, who cares what he thinks? Oh, but I left it in my jean. Go high. Oh, baby, I'm so happy for you. Yeah. Oh.
Oh dear. He's gonna come down on me like a ton of bricks when we get home.
What's a better way than a whale? How dare you humiliate the family in front of the whole congregation? How fast I
Oh, so it's all about you and how I humiliate you. No, Papa. O tlotse o rile ke problem child. Bo malome bo mamgolo ga ba nrate because you always paint such a bad picture of me.
Hey, well, Musita, why is it? How's a one? Mamkud, how's a one? Try to be responsible. Who first I want to metric Honano? I was going to go who tell we took us for next year. How we think for that? Go Talatala.
Oh, so this is what it's all about. How I don't fit into your plans. What if Neki Bakila Hutaya break next year before Kibuela di Chutong?
Lebogang, but that's how king. Do you realize that this is your own father speaking to you like that?
Ah, shut up when it's a mobile buka or something, Miss Bukwe.
You know what? I've read something more interesting.
How dare you read my private stuff?
What's working, Lebogang? I've given up on you. You are a lost cause, man. Get out!
Hey! Buton!
Don't take out your frustrations on me.
Hey, shut up, Musita. Listen here. You have to decide, Musadi, Kapongwanyaya. As long as you live under this roof, you will live under my rules.
Husiam, then I won't live under your roof.
Hey, Emsa! Wahata kosini. Unyelelesa ruri.
Suits me just fine.
Babes, what are you doing running around in the rain?
Rita will talk about my dear mom at Joburg, right?
Yeah.
Well, we're gonna hire Joburg because I can get that money.
Oh, Lebogang. Would like to like 245,000 rand.
My portion of my mother's life insurance payout. It matures when I turn 18. I'm 18, so let's go. Do you want to go to Joburg or not?
Of course I do, but...
But nothing, Freddie. Re tlo re ha re fihla Joburg wa etsa madi a mangata, and this will be like pocket change. Besides, Thought it when I like it.
Yeah, well, of course I will, man.
Freddie, go rata ka pelo ya ka yotlhe. Ene ke batla go bona re itumetse. None of us is happy here. You, o tloile boss ya hao, and the fact that o no Simo, and I hate my family. We have every reason to get out of this place. Ke ile lengwalo le nna ko botsa ka lona.
Linda, all right.
Welcome to Gauteng's #1 radio station, Joburg FM. It's Christmas Eve and it's happening down at Club Josie tonight with Al and Hip Hop Banzula live on stage. Get yourself down there and party till Christmas morning. Time now 9:30 on Joburg FM.
And finally, I get to meet Dibaba, the man who built this club from the ashes. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm in a gangster movie.
Dibaba, Jesse. Merry Christmas. Welcome to Club Josie. Ngaka trouble, Dibaba?
Sure.
Ngaka slap, Dibaba?
Now I know why they call him Dibaba. He calls everyone Dibaba.
Now, this the mama. Hey, she's Taranticious lady, she'll conquer us. I see you taking care of Dibaba, Iso. Actually, what's my light? Huh? You got matches, lighter? Oh, sure. Eh, Hotel Johannesburger. These are now hotel deal. Dibaba, I want to show you something. Electric man. Makubaso. Kigda. We made it in just 2 weeks. Just from the bar and door takings. Business is booming, Dibaba. And now because it's Christmas season, it's pumping like crazy, Dibaba. Dibaba, I'm offering you 30% of this club. Do you know how much 30% of Club Josie is worth according to the books, Dibaba?
Yes, you showed me the accounting books, Dibaba.
How much, Dibaba?
4 million, Dibaba.
And how much am I selling them to you for?
1 million, Dibaba.
Natamita, I don't need your money. I've made my money. You see, I want to see how serious you are. Check in just for insurance. Of who, Electric Man?
Show it, Dibaba.
To Club Josie.
Peter, I was working how am I really? I can't go out today. I have to study. Pela, a master's thesis in agriculture is no child's play. Okay. I must be quite honest. But it's just that I can't be in a serious relationship right now. Peter, okay, I do like you. Okay, wait. It's not just that. Look, it's just that there's somebody right now who really needs me more. I'm so sorry, Peter.
Oh, did you see how the porter was offering to carry our shopping bags? It was as if his life depended on it. Susie, let me help you. Oh, Susie.
Yeah, you find it does, eh? Anything for a tip. Stop with that for a while.
Why?
I've been doing a lot of thinking and soul searching, and I think now is the right time for me to ask you this question. Over the last year and a half, Lebo, you've given me everything. And I know lately we've given everything to the club. I know that we're still living in this hotel room and, you know, still negotiating the ins and outs of Josie. But in the midst of all of that, I think now is the perfect time for me to express my love for you by asking you this question. Lebogang, Petunia, Tlo. Will you marry me?
Freddie, you watch too many movies. And yes, I'll marry you.
Yeah, okay. Okay, get man. Yes. Yeah, get man. Ish. Let's go, man. Then some.
You find
Johnny Baba.
Baba, I had plenty partners before you because I'm a nice guy. But at one point or other, they tried to twist me. They soon realized that I'm faster than them. You know why? I'm actually a wolf in a sheep's skin. That is why I'm here, and they all disappeared. Dibaba, when I saw you with Spike, I said, "These am lalaiti, dilaiti, hanmeni nogni." I'm not really a good judge of character. Of who electric man?
Sure, di Baba.
You know, my hunch about you was a bit misplaced.
Di Baba, ubua ka eng?
When I saw you with Spike, I said, nah, this is not lighting. And like seeing you know, with the club, you can't open off. I mean, Spike business is booming. It's going like crazy because of you. I didn't think you'd be so stupid to empty my safe.
Di Baba, I don't know when that happened, Di Baba. Gister, ek en al die girlfriend jaka, Di Baba, I promise you.
Cut the bull! Whose matches is that?
Di Baba, they're mine, but I don't know how they got there, Di Baba.
I know a clever wannabe when I see one. Where's my child?
Di Baba, I don't know anything about this, please. No, Di Baba, I don't know anything.
Then who comes so safe intact?
Di Baba, this is a setup. Di Baba, why bona Luena, Di Baba? Please.
How can you do this? After all what I've done for you, now Jebel may knock. Who's that? Police! Hey, the Dulas.
Hey, stop! Give me the gun! Give me the gun!
Yama, what's going on? Yama. Hey, get your beside my way, Yama. They're not payment.
Taco guy. Freddy! Baby? Baby, goreng mpaka?
Paige, I need to disappear for a while.
Baby, go etsagetseng?
Lebogang, I can't talk now, Lebogang. Please just stay here in the room. Don't go anywhere, and I'll come and fetch you later tonight. I can't be here right now.
Frederick, what the hell are you on about? Wanchosa yano?
Lebogang, there was a robbery at the club today. Dibaba's safe got cleaned out.
What?
It turns out Electric Man stole all of the money and he framed me for it.
Framed you? Safe ya gago yona?
Esale sharp, but the club is swarming with police.
Police, okay. So goreng o sa ba bolela gore go diragetse?
It just gets worse. It turns out that all of the wine deliveries that the club was getting weren't actually wine deliveries. They were ice deliveries.
Ice?
Cocaine, Lebu. Dibaba's dealing, and now I've been implicated in a whole lot of crimes that I know nothing about. I have to lay low for a while.
Ao lemogile gore madi a rona ohle a ka mo safing ele.
Ke a tseba Lebogang and ke tla etsa plan, but for now, baby, just please sit tight and man, I have to go.
Freddy, goreng o sa bula bank account ha re fitla mo eh?
Lebogang, I could not open a bank account because I cannot ID.
Why wasn't an ID? Didn't the orphanage give you a birth certificate or something?
I don't have an ID. I don't have an ID because I've got warrants.
What warrants?
Joe, you know what, Lebo? We've only been going out for a year and a half. There's a lot of things you don't know about me, okay?
Freddie, you are freaking me out here.
Lebogang, let's just put it like this. If I was to go and get an ID now, sooner or later I would end up behind bars. Please, Lebogang, just sit tight and wait for me. I'll explain everything when I come back, babes. I can't talk now.
Two suspects have been arrested in connection with a drug cartel that has apparently been operating from the club for the last 4 years. One of the suspects was arrested during the raid and the two others fled the scene. One of them was caught later in the day when he tried to sneak back into the club through the back door. While in other news, at least 4 people have died after a cholera outbreak in KwaZulu-Natal.
Club Josie. What have you gotten us into? Thank you.
Calm down. It's okay. You're at the hospital.
What happened? Why am I here?
An ambulance brought you in yesterday. Apparently you collapsed in Brandfontein somewhere.
Oh dear.
Don't worry, you're fine. And the baby's fine.
Baby? What baby?
I'll go get the doctor to speak to you quickly.
Hello?
Hi, Lebogang. It's Freddie here. Please go home, Lebo. Just forget about
Where
me.
are you, Freddie?
I have to go now.
No.
Hey, it's Freddie here. I'm not available right now.
Okay. Received calls. Private number. No.
You tuned into Joburg FM. Time now 15:13. Here's Ikanyeng with the news.
And on the news today, South Africa's unemployment rate reaches a staggering 48% as the petrol price skyrockets and companies retrench thousands of workers throughout the country. Smile if you still have a job.
Where the hell are you, Freddie?
Reverend Lou, hello? Hello? Lebogang.
A room is 40 rands an hour, 200 rands overnight. Your client has to leave his metal objects with me. He'll get them in the morning when he leaves.
What client? Oh, no. Please, I just need a place to sleep.
Whatever. 40 rands or 200?
I'll come back. I don't have any money.
Next.
I'll give you 5 klipa for that ring. Yep, that big rock around your finger. Give you $500 for it.
No.
But wait. You can always get a room by handing in the ring and maybe a cell phone. Redeem it when you get some money. That's what I thought. Now, don't worry, my sister. I've got your best interests at heart. Follow me. Yeah, baby. It's come that time of the day. Most something what's on my hand, the cleaners are coming up.
Mara ke bukile ka ring le phone ya ka.
Phone le ring ele jo, they only sold for 2 klipa jo. Mara ba nganyile blind. Mara for now something to get up, baby. Something. New day, it's a new day. Put on your shoes, put on your bag. Let's get out of here. Yes, baby. What's going on? Long night, my one, you know? She did so well. So well. You deserve it. All yours.
Thanks, Peter.
Thank you, man. You really impressed my clients last night. Keep it up. Stiff. You know, it doesn't have to be this way, man. There's many easy ways of making money at this hotel. Okay, suit yourself. It's your world, babes.
Hey, I'm not by my window, you bloody foul pops. Humber. Every day by my bloody shop, scaring my customers.
Man, ye wena ehlakweni unatrisi mandananyana la unezofika uzosidalela ye wena azina ume wena ke ufuna namkhuzule awazomthatha wena wena yes afuzuka la yes awuli ufuna alu yes food stand what's on one
Hey! Tlola ngwaneo. Hey, wena tlola ngwaneo.
Panketse ring, phone, everything. Freddy o tsamaila ha ke tsebe le hore ko kae. Ke ka mokgwa ke iphitlhetseng mo ke leng. Anyway, enough about me. What's your sad story?
Che. Baba ke batlang ho tseba gore na ka lebaka lang o sa kana go tlhela eno. Mme wa fihla go ba tshware.
Jo. Ke ile bankeng ka ntsha madi ohle a batsadi ba me ba bereketseng matshela bona ohle. Ke a sentse ko moshimaneng. I walked out on them when they needed me the most. Ke ka se kgone ho wela gae. Ebile ke le yana.
Ke lona lebaka leo le tshwanetse go kgutlela gae ka lona leo. Swallow your pride.
Mohlomong ke sana le tshepo ya hore Freddy o tla bua tsatsi le leng. Are, hi baby, I'm back. Sorry I disappeared. Let's pick up where we left off.
Hi, Rebele Monaka. Fela ska ba le bala se go boleletseng sona.
This man, 23-year-old Freddie Michaels, was caught earlier in the year trying to break into the now closed down Club Josie, has had new charges filed against him for numerous other robberies and murders. According to the South African Police Services, Freddie Michaels has been a fugitive for the past 3 years. The Rustenburg Violent Crimes Police Unit has been hunting for him in connection with many robberies in the Northwest Province, including the much publicised dragon robbery and murder of 3 people that took place in Mokwase, Rustenburg in 2001. Michaels has been remanded into custody until his next court appearance on the 24th of February 2005. While in other news, Christmas celebrations are underway.
Helang. Lebo ke ngwana. Lebo, molato ke.
Ke sentse mme. Ke tshamekile ka bophelo ba me. Ko gae go tshwana le ga ke swile. I have no one else in this world.
Nnete mona le wena o na le Modimo. Morena Modimo o tshwarela dibe tsohle. Kopa Modimo a o etsetse mohlolo wa mpho ya Keresemese. Modimo ke yena resurrection ya hao.
You tuned in to Joburg FM. Merry Christmas from all of us at the station. I can't believe a whole year has gone by. It's 6 a.m. and it's a beautiful day. I'm sure you've got your whole day planned. Give us a call if you're awake and tell the whole Gauteng what you'll be up to today as we play you this lovely tune.
Peter. Peter. Tsoga.
Man king.
Me ona robetse mo ko kae?
Man ngimazela apho mama. Ungithi uyazi usikokwana. Uzongibuza ikokwana ma. Yazi ngibupha ngamnana amaswisa la kava chicken and nando. Mfana lelami mfana. Ngibupha ngebeetroot.
Kopa Modimo a o etsetse mohlolo wa mpho ya Keresemese. Modimo ke yena resurrection ya hao.
Modimo a go tlholofatshe ka boitseanape ba gago bo bo tseileng ka lekwalo la gago la master's degree. A re mo lebogiseng. Amen. Phuthego e rategileng. Gompieno re hano ka botswalo ba morra Modimo Jesu Kriste mopholosi wa rona. Amen. King seo re ka se lopang ga se go itumella seo Modimo a re hileng sona morra wa gagwe Jesu Kriste molopoledi wa rona. King seo re ka itumelang sona ga se go itumella seo Modimo a re fileng sona morra wa gagwe Jesu Kriste go tlo hlola dibitsa rona mo lefatsheng. Amen. King seo o ka se se itumeleng e re ga o lebelela ka lebogong la gago le lesegading o bona tikologo e re ga o lebelela ka lebogong la gago le letonnang o bona boipuso. Amen. Ke eng seo e ka reng ga Modimo a o file sona Lebogang.
Ke kopa maitshwarelo, Papa. Ke ne ke sa itse. Ke se dire.
Ngwanaka, moradi wa me. Sile nsile. Ha re leboga Modimo. Ha re bile dithapelo tsa rona.
Ke maswabi pa. Ke kopa motho.
Putain! Ha re itumeleng. Se Modimo a re diretseng sona. Borra, ke kopa ha re itumelle le tlhabeng e nngwe ya dikgomo tsa ka tse akotseng re tlo go itumella letsatsi lena la moradi wa me. Moradi wa me o buile. Ke a o buile Modimo. Pinky. Pinky, no, where are you?
Papa, I've remained a loyal child to you. Papa, I've looked after this household ever since Mama passed away. But not even once have you ever shown your appreciation for me. Not even once have you suggested to slaughter Lali pudding and a. But she has hurt you endlessly. She's disobeyed you in every way possible. But you want to stand here right now and say none of that matters? And you want to slaughter the fattest cow for her? Well, it matters to me. It matters to me that I've been a faithful child to you. And I've never been shown that kind of appreciation. Papa, maybe no matter it's made for you to appreciate me.
No. Moradi wa me. O mona yo. Lebogang. O na latlhegile. O buile. A re leboga Modimo hela ha o tlile dithapelo tsa rona. Not my baby. This is the best Christmas gift to us from God. Please. Muitshwarele. It's your sister. Muitshwarele. Please.
Every year of my life, I've received gifts on Christmas Day. Gifts that I would always take for granted and forget about soon after. But this year, I've received the best gift ever in my whole entire life. Forgiveness.
There was a girl who never had enough. She felt so low, 'cause she had nothing to show. But something inside was growing.